San Francisco city workers are pushing back against sweeping cuts and hundreds of potential layoffs expected in Mayor Daniel Lurie's upcoming budget. More than 100 employees have already gotten pink slips, and today workers and activists held multiple rallies to highlight how the cuts could put a dent in critical services. Kenny Choi explains what's at stake for some of the city's most vulnerable residents.
City workers and employees say these cuts go too far and that they'll have real consequences on public health, safety, and essential services across San Francisco. Hundreds of city employees, including health workers, rallied at San Francisco General Hospital, pushing back against the mayor's looming budget cuts and layoffs. Jeanette Longton, a therapist and counselor with the San Francisco Health Service System, recently received a layoff notice.
Really upsetting because of all of the services that are going to be taken away from our employees who deeply need somebody to go to when they're struggling.
The Lurie administration has issued 127 layoff notices so far, part of the mayor's plan to address the city's massive deficit. At a meeting with supervisors Tuesday, Lurie said he needed to take action now or be forced to do twice as much in the coming years.
The city has to stop spending more money than we have. Temporary fixes may buy time, but tackling the structural deficit is the best thing we can do to set up our city for a broad-based, durable recovery.
According to the mayor's budget office, San Francisco is facing a 2-year, nearly $650 million deficit, with more cuts to be made.
We were told in multiple meetings when we had town hall meetings with Director Daniel Tsai that there would be no clinical impacts in terms of layoffs. We were also told that prior to layoffs, they were going to look for other areas where people might be able to be utilized. It's hard to imagine how 4 registered nurses with advanced degrees do not have anywhere that we could practice within Department of Public Health.
San Francisco has made a meaningful investment.
City workers facing program cuts that help disabled seniors also voiced opposition today at a budget hearing. Outside City Hall, supporters of San Francisco Youth Works rallied against cuts they say would eliminate 200 youth internships provided by the city's Human Rights Commission. But for years, the city's expenses have outpaced local tax revenues post-pandemic. The city's budget also took a deeper hit after the Trump administration slashed funding for food stamps and Medicaid last year.
San Francisco's the union town!
Unions, including the one representing healthcare workers, are backing a June ballot measure, Prop D, which would raise taxes on companies with highly paid CEOs and generate up to $300 million a year.
Take money from the billionaires, from the companies that should be paying their fair share in the city and not doing it on the back of city workers.
Supporters say that tax would address the city's budget woes and prevent unnecessary layoffs. Lurie has argued Prop D would send the wrong message to businesses. City departments have been told to plan for at least 500 job cuts. The mayor will present his new budget proposal in about 6 weeks.